Hi guys, my name is Jasmine. Welcome to Excited for Coupons if you're new. If you are a long-time subscriber or just recently, I appreciate your support. So thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Today, I'm going to be doing a different video, and it was a comment that I got asking if it was okay if I do this type of challenge or this type of haul deal idea. So instead of coming up with one, I came up with two. So I said, you know what, challenge accepted. I was thinking of doing this video and I'm so glad I did. So what is this video is about? This is for the CVS ad that starts March 15. As you know, yes, I already did that video, many freebies, many great deals and moneymaker, but this video is actually going over the beauty CRT that is $20. It will deduct $20 when you spend $100. So it says spend $100, get 20 off epic beauty event products, and it does say to see the ad for details. So what I did was I was able to come up to two deal ideas, but you could just go ahead and tweak it for your convenience, or maybe depending on the maybe other CRTs you may have. So I was able to come up with two deal ideas, and everything's going to come out to free and moneymaker. Know that this also is part of that beauty event, the one that hopefully you activated this in your CVS account, that when you spend 30 you get 3 beauty ECB free just for spending 30 in beauty deals. So in this case, you're going to be able to get about $9 in beauty ECB. So I'm also including a printable list for these two different deal ideas. So what is the epic beauty event? We did see this in the flyer of the week that is happening right now. And it does say that once you scan your card this week, you're going to be getting a CRT that says 20 off when you spend 100 on cosmetics. And it does say facial, hand, and body, personal cleansing, fragrances, hair care, color, dryers, and strainers. And this is the items that it does exclude. It does say to visit the Extra Care Coupon Center to scan your card because that's printing this week. So if you still have it, you have not used it, then I'm going to share two different deal ideas what you could do in order to get some of the items free. So let's get started with the ad, and we're going to start with Nivea body lotion. I usually find this in my store. I shared this in my haul. I had no problems getting this product or doing this deal. So I purchased a small bottle, so buy 2 of those. And the prices were $4.99. I noticed this week they were $5.29. So go ahead and buy 2 for $10.98. But remember, we're not going to be using any CRTs that says 2 of 8 or anything like that, because you won't be able to stack those. If you do stack those, you do have to spend, then you have to add $8 to the $100 limit that we need to spend. So let's exclude this Nivea CRT, but go ahead and use that coupon that is on this paper, March 8th, on the Smart Source. So use that coupon deducting 4. But if you want to do this deal alone, then go ahead and use that CRT. You will pay $4.98, but you're going to get everything free after you get that back 5 ECB. So as you see, this will come out to 99 cents without that CRT. The other deal I want to include is the L'Oreal, and as you see, it's buy 2 get 6. And the L'Oreal is L'Oreal Cosmetics, and you have to visit the coupon center because it's going to be printing a CRT deducting 3 off on L'Oreal Cosmetics. So you're going to be getting that free CRT, which is okay to use for this deal idea. So go ahead and buy 2 of the L'Oreal Cosmetics. In this case, is the eyeshadow. The prices do vary, so in this case it might be $6.59. It's a price I saw online. Once you buy 2, will be $13.18. Go ahead and use that CRT that's printing for everybody on the 15th. And if you have this CRT, I did receive a CRT that says L'Oreal eye makeup deducting 3. So go ahead and stack those CRTs so that way your total is a lot less. Once we get that ECB at the end of this big haul, then it will be 59 cents each if you do this individually. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do Nexus. Nexus is spend 20 get 10. We're not going to be using any CRTs because we just want to go ahead and do this big haul to reach 100 in beauty for the epic beauty event. So go ahead and buy one of the Nexus. In this case, you could buy the Clean and Pure. This is a new product for $16.99. And you could go ahead and buy the mask for $3.79. Right there, you reach $20.78. Use that coupon that's coming on this Sunday's paper on the Retail Me Now, deducting $5, but you could only use one for the scalp scrub product. Pay $11.78, but in this case you're going to pay a little bit more because we're not going to be using that CRT. Get back those 10 ECB, making it $2.89 each. So the next deal is the Irish Spring. This is body wash. This is one of those deal ideas that I'm switching. This is why I have two different deal ideas, because in one I'm including the Irish Spring body wash and in the other one I'm not. So if you want to go ahead and do this deal, then you will see that in the list. The list does include the two separate deal ideas. So go ahead, buy 3 for $3.99. Your price is $11.97. Use 3 coupons that are coming on this Sunday's paper, deducting 75 cents off one. Pay $9.72, get back 5, and they will be $1.57 each. But if you want to do this deal on its own, separate, not enough part of the Epic Beauty event, then go ahead. If you have 2 body wash CRTs, I usually get one on 1 week, then I get another one the next week. So if you're able to get 2, go ahead to use 2, and then your total will be 24 cents each. This is going to be one of those deals also that you're going to see 2 separate deals. This one is going to be the moisturizer for $24.99 and then the cleanser for $4.99. Your total is $29.98. You're going to be using a CRT that's printing for everybody. You see it here. That's going to be printing for everybody a $3 for L'Oreal facial care. And then this digital, hopefully you have it in your CVS app, deducting 2. And then if you have this CRT, deducting 6 off 6. No, deducting 6 CRT for Age Perfect Moisturizer. Pay $18.98, get back 10, making it, but in this case, you're going to be getting a $10 cash card, making it $4.49 each. So here's option number 2. In case you don't want to do the one I just showed you, which is also part of the cash card deal, go ahead and buy a different type of Age Perfect. This Age Perfect, you want to make sure it's a moisturizer. So this one does qualify. This one, the total is about $19.49, I believe it is. And then buy 3 of the Pantene. Since the Pantene is also on special and is part of the cash card event, that is 3 for $12. So right there your total is $31.49. The price is wrong here, but that's the right price. And what the coupons that you're going to be using is CRTs and also digital. For the L'Oreal, this is the digital here, and also that CRT that's going to be printing for everybody as part of the facial care. So go ahead and scan that in your Redbox machine, the coupon center. And then for the Pantene, there's also digital for $5 of 3. So as you see it in the picture here, send to card. And then if you have this CRT, deducting 6 for the Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer. So from $31.49, your new total will be $15.49. But then after getting that cash card, this will come out a lot less. It will be $2.75 each. The next one we're going to go over is CoverGirl. It's very easy to do. This deal is buy 2 get 6. This one we've been seeing for so long, for so many times, and it's sometimes the best deal to do. The price has changed, so maybe you might find it at $6.29 in your store. If that's the price, then your total at the register will be $12.58. Use 2 coupons. They're available to print. They're in the app and also in the Smart Source. So go ahead and use those coupons, deducting $3 each. Pay $6.58, but get back 6, making it 29 cents each. And last, this is another great deal that's happening this week, which I just did my haul, but it's also going to be happening on this ad that starts March 15. Go ahead and buy 2 of the Maybelline single eyeshadow. The price are $4.19, so your new price in the register will be $8.38. Use the coupon that's a printable. You could go ahead and use, if you have that printable, go ahead and look if you have it in the app, and or check out your Retail Me Now from March 1st. That way you have 2 of those. And we're also going to be getting more instant coupon printing at the coupon center for Maybelline Cosmetics for $3. So make sure you go ahead and scan your card and reuse all those instant coupons that are printing. And this will be one of those that's printing also on March 15. Pay $3.38, get back 7, making it $3.62 moneymaker. These are just the individual totals. But now let's go into the shopping list. So remember, I mentioned that there's two different deal ideas. And guys, I'm just gonna tell you that this will be a great deal idea if you have a lot of ECBs that you want to go ahead and roll over, because paying out of pocket almost $50 just in one shot, I don't think it's the best idea at all. It's not how I like couponing. So if you want, go ahead and do the deals that are happening this week. That way you have ECBs to roll for this week that's coming up. So if you have a lot of ECBs to roll up, go ahead and do this deal. So the first one, as you see, this is the shopping list for deal one. The only thing that's going to vary and it's going to change between deal one and deal two is the products you see in red. I mentioned that there was option one, which has both L'Oreal products, and option two had L'Oreal and Pantene. This one we have Irish Spring Body Wash, and option two will have the L'Oreal eyeshadows. So as you see, it's not a big difference. These are the coupons, some of the CRTs that you may have, and most of them are printing this Sunday. I think you show Almay in the video, but Almay, this CRT printed last week. Well, actually printed this week. If you still have it, go ahead and use that Almay. And there's a coupon that came on Sunday's paper as well. I believe it was Smart Source. And I did mention this on my haul because I did purchase the Almay blush. So I forgot to include this in the video, but as you see it on the list there. Once you buy all these products, remember the price will vary. Something else I want to say that Irish Spring Body Wash is not part of beauty for you to get that beauty ECB. But since we are spending more than $90, you do qualify to earn 3 beauty ECB. So once you purchase all these things, if these are the prices in your store, it will be $106.66, which is perfect because we want to spend $100 before coupons. All these deductions here will deduct $27.25, and all these extra ones will deduct $12. And then we're going to use that CRT that's going to deduct $20 once you spend $100. So now your new final total to pay in the register should be $47.41. All the ECBs you're going to be earning are $47, so that makes it your final price of $41 for this haul. But you're going to be earning $9 total in free ECBs for the beauty reward. As you know, the beauty reward, every time you spend $30, you're going to get 3 ECB. So in this case, as long as you spend $90, you will get 9 ECB, and in this case we did reach that amount. And as you see, like I mentioned, the body wash would have been from 106.66 minus the 11.97, right there is 94.69. So you still qualify to reach that beauty reward. Because body wash was included years ago, but it's no longer included as part of the beauty wash, not the beauty wash, of the beauty ECB. I hope this makes sense. I know I'm trying not to make it more complicated. So this is option one. Now let's go to deal number two, option number two. Option number two is a little bit more. It's $109.38. The reason is because we are purchasing here Pantene, so our total went a little bit higher. It was $31.49, and we're also including the L'Oreal eyeshadow that is $13.18, and as you know, the body wash for Irish Spring was about $11.97. So that's the reason why this one is a little bit higher, but everything else is the same, including that Almay blush deal idea there. Deductions are $30 here and $18 here. And then go ahead and use that CRT. So you're gonna end up paying $41.38. You're gonna earn $48 in ECB. Not just ECB, remember you're gonna earn actually $38 in ECB and $10 in a cash card. This is the cash card deal here. Your final price is going to be, after earning the ECB and the cash card, will be $6.62 moneymaker, but you're gonna be earning $9 in beauty rewards because you spend 30, 30, and 30, that's $90. So that makes it a total after beauty ECB and after all those ECBs added will be $15 in moneymaker. But just know this is just a deal idea. These are the prices that I have. These are some of the coupons that we may have. things may change on Sunday. Sometimes we don't know. Sometimes we could plan a deal idea once we're in the register. Some things can, some things gave us problems. So hopefully you have a smooth trip, a smooth haul. If you're planning to go ahead and take advantage of that the Epic Beauty event CRT that's deducting $20. So I'm excited. I'm planning to do one of these deals. I'm gonna continue seeing which other CRTs I do have in my card. But this looks like a pretty great haul, and it's just crazy that you could spend $109 in one transaction and come out to a free and money maker. So I hope this video was very helpful, guys. But don't forget, there's other deals happening in the ad as well. Maybe there's other products that you prefer to purchase, but this was just to give you an idea. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this is very helpful. If I see any printables, I do know that Nivea lotion, there is a printable, so you want to go ahead and use that printable instead. I'm going to provide that right below this video. I'm going to check if CoverGirl or the Maybelline coupons are still available. I'm going to provide that below if it is, right below this video. This list is going to take you straight to my website. It's going to be available in my website there, so you can go ahead and print it, and it's going to have 2 pages because it's going to have 2 different deal ideas. So thank you guys for watching this video, for giving me some of your time, and I hope you're enjoying this week, and until the next video. Bye.